Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you the ways to create or sign up for Sainsbury account. So to create an account, you have to first of all go ahead and open up a browser, and on the web address bar type in the link that is sainsbury.co.uk. That's going to take you to the official page, and here it's going to look something like this. So on this page, you go ahead and accept all the cookies first of all, and then to register, click on register here, located right at the bottom. Now provide in the email address that you wish to register with and click the continue button. On the other field, it's going to ask you to enter in the verification code that's going to be sent through an email. So all you have to do is just enter in the code and click the continue button. When you're done typing in the code, click on continue. It's going to ask you to go ahead and enter in your following information. That is your personal details, title, and then the first name, last name, your mobile number, and all of these information. Now quickly enter in all of the information. Once done, click on the continue button. It's going to take you to the other field. Then you'll have successfully logged into your account after you're done verifying your account details. So in this way, you could go ahead and create or sign up for Sainsbury's account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.